Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, July the 3rd or the 15th. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. It is a one box break. We randomed up our box numbers. We got box number 2. We did random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. Here we go. Had a couple offers, but nothing went down. Seal. Well, bam. Going to be the Chicago MLB spot, folks, with the Lance Hendricks jersey there. Bam! Well, he tried to trade it, guys. Yeah, Jack, I told you they were good spots. They're going to be one of our Fernando Tatis jerseys. Well, guys, he put him up for trade. I thought it was weird nobody made him an offer there. And then you got the freebie on the Oklahoma-Milwaukee spot. So Oklahoma-Milwaukee spot going to get the freebie. Guys, bam, you got Fernando Tatis custom jersey. Beckett Witness hologram on that going to Jack. He did offer him up for trade, guys, and nobody made him an offer. Well, Jack, I told you those were good spots. Alright, bam. Going to be the Lance Hendricks, guys. Bam, White Sox. I do believe she is a China guy. She's got the labels on it, but that's usually a bad sign when it's that. So I do believe it's a China version. Still a very nice hit, though. For the Chicago White Sox, going to be Chicago MLB. JSA on that. Where's Shy? Well, that one's going to Pat. Pat finally hitting something this series. Alright, so Lance goes to Pitt. Titus goes to Jackie, and then who had the Oklahoma spot? Velocity Tiger, gonna get the freebie on that one. That is gonna wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Click those follow and subscribe buttons, guys. Join the Facebook group for you folks over on YouTube. Please do us a favor and click that thumbs up for us, guys. No, it may not seem like much, but it does add up. Makes a big difference. Thank y'all very much.